Hi, I am Dr. S. Rathnadevi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, JJ College of Arts and Science, Pudukottai. Now I am going to share some information about cathode ray tube. The cathode ray tube, shortly known as CRT, this cathode ray tube actually the analog monitor following the cathode ray tube. The cathode ray tube containing there are three important components: electron gun and deflection plates and phosphorus coated screen. The features: see, electron gun, deflection system and fluorescent green. This is the structure of the CRT. Connector pins. The connector pin, through that connector pin we can passing the current electron, and then the electron gun emitting the electrons. In front of the electron gun we are mounting the anode plates and focusing systems. Anode plate is a positive voltage, so it is attracting the electrons actually which is having the negative voltage. The focusing system actually directing and regulating the electrons moving towards the screen, and then some more two pairs of deflection plates, horizontal deflection plate and vertical deflection plates. Like the two vertical plates we are mounted, two deflection plates. The horizontal deflection plates controlling the horizontal electrons and the vertical deflection plates controlling the vertical electrons, and these electrons are moving towards the phosphorus coated screen. See, the electron gun is the primary part, that is heart of the CRT we can tell. The role of this actually CRT is producing the electrons high fixed and velocity, that is done through the process known as thermionic emission. Deflection system, actually two perpendicular sets of deflection plates we are mounted. This allows the control over both horizontal and vertical axis, controlling the voltage applied to the fields. So it can easily moving towards the phosphorus coated screen. And then I have to say about the fluorescent screen. The screen is actually phosphorus coated. Why we need phosphorus coated screen means we want to retaining the glowingness at some period, means we have to use the phosphorus coated screen. Without phosphorus coated screen, the electrons when it is hitting the electrons at the screen, immediately it is turned off. If we are using phosphorus coated means we can retain sometimes the glowingness. So the CRT actually, the electron gun producing the electrons that is moving towards through the focusing system and deflection plates and then hitting the phosphorus coated screen. So we can feel the lighting on the screen. And then color CRT. Actually the color CRT, three primary guns we are using. One is for red, the another one is for green, and third one is blue. The color CRT have three electron guns, one for each primary color, and then it is arranged in the straight line or triangular configuration sometimes. The three beams in the color CRT would not strike the screen at the same point without convergence calibration. See, cathode ray oscilloscope. See, actually the CRO, it's a diagnostic device that allows one to see voltage. It essential cathode ray tube with the two perpendicular sets of deflection electric plates. The vertical set is where an input voltage is plugged for the oscilloscope to display. Horizontal set is connected to the sweep generator, that is what provides a constant but adjustable time base for sweeping. This is essentially creates a sawtooth voltage, and it causes the image to be animated and measured with a linear scale. Let us know about the applications of CRT. Actually CRT we can use it in the television, computer monitors, and the display devices where the analog devices we are using. The cathode ray oscilloscope. Some disadvantages also we are getting from that the CRT. Actually the monitors actually causes a health hazard to the functioning of living cells. The CRT emit a small amount of X-ray radiation only, so it can result in a health hazard. Constant refreshing of CRT can result in a headache. So continuously we have to refresh it. The CRT operate at a very high voltage, so that is main problem, that can overheat the system. So it impulsions we can face it. So many drawbacks we are facing in that CRT. The CRT is actually we are using in the analog system only. Thank you.